If you haven't followed Beefy Finance on Twitter, then follow them. So what is Beefy Finance? Beefy is the multi-chain yield optimizer that focuses on safety and auto-compounds crypto assets for the best APY. In short, you can say that it comes in the category of yield optimizer. Now we will see some tweet, and here you can see Beefy has posted one tweet on 14 May and given one warning: do not interact or trade on Spirit Swap or Quick Swap DEX. And now why BP has said this? Because this too has been hit by hackers today. Be cautious with all Web3 activity. This is only a front end DC with multiple apps today. Then again it said beefy vaults are not affected, vaults are SAFU. So we will click on this too, Spirit Swap, and here you can see, let's follow them, and here you can see 16 hours ago they have said we have successfully regained control of our DNS, chased the hacker out, unlocked the router. The site is now safe to use. We will be posting a brief post-mortem update and give a rundown of what happened and future security measures. So this one has been affected, but now it is okay. And next one, Quick Swap DEX, it is also okay now. As you can see here, we have regained control of quickswap.exchange and phishing attack is halted. As a safety precaution, please only use quickswap.exchange and beta.quickswap.exchange if you see the green dot pictured in screenshot. So here you can see the green dot and you can understand it, okay? So this too has been hit by hacker, but now it is okay. So this is the warning given by Beefy Finance, and now we will check the current price chart of Beefy Finance. So this is the current price of Beefy Finance, $464.58, 14.65% up in last 24 hours, means given a return of 14.65%. Trading volume is down with 56.39%. Market rank is 495. Total value is locked this much, and market dominance no data. Now I will show you the platform from where you can trade Beefy Finance. But investment in any cryptocurrency or trading in any cryptocurrency depends upon you. So these are platforms where you can trade Beefy Finance on Binance, Get.io, PancakeSwap, SpookySwap, Spirit Swap. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you want a more video related to cryptocurrency. Also one more thing, investment in any cryptocurrency depends upon you. I am not a financial advisor.